Thank you for joining Bell South for number 3 of our series on small poultry drinkers for backyard poultry flocks. Today I'd like to talk about a small commercial item that we're often asked about, the poultry drinking nipple. Can we use poultry drinking nipples for our backyard flock? Well, the answer is certainly we can, but there are some limits with those poultry nipples. First of all, even when the nipple is adjusted correctly so that the bird comes up to the drinker and is striking the nipple with its beak at a nice high angle, most of the water goes down the bird's throat, but some water doesn't. And very soon, underneath the nipple, we end up with some water on the ground and a wet patch. Well, as you know, wet patches in poultry sheds are not good. So we prefer to avoid actually having our drinkers in the shed as bare nipples. The second thing that's wrong with nipple drinkers is they have a maximum water head of only 300 millimeters of water pressure. So the top of the water to the drinker can only be 300 millimeters. Now, we can still use a nipple for more than just poultry. Very often the nipples are used for rabbits, guinea pigs, rats and mice. And we can just drill a hole in the top of a Coke bottle, screw the nipple into that hole. It will cut its own thread in there if the hole's the right size. 9mm, you know James Bond has a 9mm Beretta. Easy to remember that one. Now, we've just put the nipple in the bottom of there. We drill a little hole in there to let the air in because these are a true valve, so they need to get some air in there, otherwise the bottle will try and collapse. And the bird can come up and drink from there, getting water as they want. But they have the problem of a little bit of splash. If you put them on the outside of a cage, then the bit of splash might go down on the ground and you're not worried about the bit of damp there. So, what do we do to correct these difficulties or limitations in using nipples? Well, one of the things that's been done is the nipples are placed over the top of a cup. Now, the cups have a little trigger on the inside of the cup, and that little trigger actually is a floater in this case, so that that float causes a little bit of water, so all the time there is just a little bit of water in the bottom of the cup. The bird can smell the water, so the birds take very quickly to these cups. Now we can screw them again into the bottom of our Coke bottle, and the Coke bottle doesn't need to be a little one like this, but can be as big as a 3-litre Coke bottle. And suddenly we've got our little drinker again, except now when the bird goes to get water, the water runs down from the nipple as the bird is touching the float, and the water can't splash on the ground. A little drinker like this can be used right at day old, up to 15 day-old chicks right down at floor level, and the birds would drink very neatly from that. Up to an adult bird, again we would place it between back and eye height so the bird actually stretches to get to the water, and you would have 2 adult birds on each cup. Now if you had 4 birds in the pen, you may well put 2 cups spaced apart, 3-litre drinkers. Remember, adult bird drinks 1/4 litre per bird per day, so a 3-litre bottle with 4 birds is going to last 3 days. Now we can use also another cup, which is what we call a straight trigger cup. Now the trigger cup means the bird must depress the trigger in order to actually get water flow. We use these mainly with adult birds, but still a very effective little cup. So our little cup has those few limitations, easily overcome using plastic containers and turning a plastic container from being a great big open dish into being just a small drinker cup. We also have a fitting which allows us to screw our drinker into the fitting and connect it up into a series of drinkers if that's how we want to run it. We've got a series of pens, a series of cages, or we want to just run a lot of different cups. Now what we'll do in our next video, session 3B if you like, we will show you some different ways of connecting these drinkers up. Thanks very much for looking at our videos.